Hello everyone, this is Kinkun LT. Again today I will make some video toys about the H32BS controller because it's very powerful. Now I will begin to make some videos explaining the details so that maybe some functions you can use for your project. Okay, this is the first video. I will show you the hardware details. Okay, let's begin. You can see this is our H32BS. This is the box and the opposite and the in front. Now I will open the box. I just first remove the antenna. This is the Wi-Fi antenna. I will open this box. I will show you what is inside and some our design idea. And also this box uses the metal material. And this is open the box. And also we can remove the Wi-Fi antenna. And we remove this screw for the PCB board. And the third and the final screw. Okay, now we can begin. Take out the PCB board. Okay, you can see this is the board. This is the PCB board. You can see. This is our PCB board. You can see this board without any relay. You can see this is the H16 channel relay board. There is relay, the black one. And now we use this MOSFET instead of this one. Because we have designed the relay you can use outside the box. And you can use this relay module outside the box. You can see we have used this OMRON relay. This is removable, easy for you to use and repair. Just use this one. So you can install outside the box. And also you can use this contact. This contact is used by DC, not by AC. So you can see this is voltage. This voltage print is 24, but also can use by 12 volt DC. This means just the max voltage is 24 voltage. The coin, the max voltage is 24, but now we use by 12 voltage. It's also no problem. The range is big, so from 12 to 24 all can work by this DC contact. So you can put your relay or contact outside the box. You can use channel 1 to channel 8 like this relay, and the channel 9 relay, and the channel 10 is contact. Also you can let your contact is channel 1 and relay is begin channel 2. This consistent by yourself. Okay, this is different between old version. So this is use the relay outside the design. And also we can see this is the CPU chip, central processor unit, and this is optical parts, so that can protect these input points, and also can extend so that the input point, the line between the switch and the board will be very long. I think 1 kilometer is no problem. And also you can see this is the Ethernet chip for the Ethernet, and this is the Wi-Fi chip, and this is RS232 chip for this point, and this is RS485 for this point for Modbus. and this is the output, and this is MOSFET, and also this is optical, and this is the power circuit, and this is the wireless receive module. Also, you can see the back of the PCB board. This is for input, and this also for output. So there are many parts on the PCB board. Okay, let's look at the interface. We will how to use it. Before you use this H32BS controller, you need to prepare the power by yourself, because this is for the power pin. This is 12 volts, and this is ground. This volt power for this whole board. And you can see this is a 32 output. And this pin is V in. And this pin is V in. That means use yourself power. V in and V in. So you can let this V in connect with this 12 volts. So that the output will be 12 volts. So this V in, if you input is 12 DC and the output is DC 12 volts. And we suggest you the power load, the max is 500 milliampere. This is the max for every output. But if you use only one output, this rest is free and not to use any load. So this power load, the ampere, can be max at 2 ampere. But we suggest you this one, not use too large for this one, because I think the rest of the channel you must need to use. Because we have designed this MOSFET is 10 ampere. This we have designed 10 ampere is enough. But for the safety, we suggest let you use max 500 milliampere is safety. So this is 4 channel of D-in. This D-in is for this 8 channel load. This V-in is for this channel, and this V-in is for this 8 channel, and this V-in is for this 8 channel. This 4 V-in channel is designed independently so that you can use different voltage. If you use carefully, you can use this is for 12 volt load, and maybe you have let this V-in use 24 DC, so that output is DC 24. Maybe you have used this 24 DC contact or 24 volt relay, so you can use this work at the same time. This is 24, this is 12 volts. So this is have an extended power. Power 1, and this is power 2. This is power 2. But be careful, the most important is U power 1 and U power 4 all need to connect to the ground. If you use power 1 supply and power 2 supply, just 2 power supply at the same time, the most important is you need to connect the ground together with this ground. So this is very important and the safety program. And be careful not use the output 24 volt for 12 volt relay. 24 volt must connect with the 24 voltage relay. And this is 12, and this is 24. So this is just I tell you need to be carefully. And this is IS485 A and B, and this is IS232. Okay, now let's look at this side of the interface. This is just Ethernet part. It's easy. And this is for the switch panel. Because this switch panel not need use the switch terminal board. You can use the switch button, connect with this hole directly. you can see this is channel 1, just switch button 1, button 2, button 3, and button 16. And this is button 17, button 18, button 19 to button 32. So if you use a switch, you just use self-reset switch or monetary switch. You just the one side is connected with the ground, and the switch just like this. When I press the button, just like the shot for this line, this lamp, this output 1 will be output 12 volt, just we means on. And we can remove and shut again, the output will be off. So we can control a lamp, just we can shut on and shut again for off, and shut on and shut again for off. So this is very easy for dry contact switch panel to use. If you use the channel 2, just like this, also like this, turn on light channel 2 and turn off channel 2. Just every time when you shut again, the state will be changed. Okay, this is the 32 channel output. And this is the blue one, is digital input. This is for sensor to use, not for your switch channel to use. Like also use this dry contact, you can use any block of the pin. You can see the channel 1, digital input channel 1, like this, at least 2 seconds. Then the message will set to your mobile phone. You can trigger the input sensor for output, make things, or trigger the message will send to your mobile phone for alarm message. This is 6 channel for you to use. Can trigger the output and trigger for send alarm message to your mobile phone. And also you can see the orange. This is all off, this is all on. If I shut for this hole, all this output will be off. If I shut for this, all this output will be on. If you shut for this, all this output is off, and you shut again, the output is off. Also will not change. Just this always for off and this always for all on. Will not change the state. Every time as you before in any state, just shut for this will be off and shut this will be all on. So this is for all on and all off. So the black one is the ground. This ground is for the switch panel use, just means the keycon, and also used by the on off, the keycon, and the digital input sensor, the ground, are connected with this together. Also this ground is as this ground. You can use the power supply. If you use one power supply or 2 power supply, let the ground all have connect with the black. The black is connect with this point on the PCB board. So if you have 4 power supply, just 1, 2, 3, 4 power supply, all these power supply need to connect with the ground to this black socket. Okay, this is how to use the socket. And also we can see there is 2 wireless remote module. This is for 17 to 32 channel, and this is for 1 to 16 channel. You can see this is a the white button, just this button. This button is used for pair with this remote. You need to run these 2 remote. Just press the button, pair with this one, and press this button, and pair with this one. So the total have 32 channel used by 2 remotes, and pair with different wireless module. Because these two remote, you can see the appearance is same, but it have different address. The address, you can open the box, you can set the address. The remote can set the max 225 address. So I think it's enough to use. So this is for pair with the different remote for the wireless module. So I think this is the details of the output and the input and the wireless and the network and the Wi-Fi and the RS-232 and the RS-485 interface. And because we have designed the Wi-Fi module and the Ethernet module connect with the CPU, so you can use the board connect with the internet with the cloud server and work in local network at the same time, because these two modules is work at the same time, not for switch, not one time only used for one module. These two modules always is work with the MCU, so this can work without internet and work with internet at the same time. So this is the hardware of the H32BS. I think if you have any questions, you can leave a message to us. We will feedback to you quickly. And in next video, I will show you how to begin use the network config and the software config for this H32BS. Okay, thanks for watching.